So we made our way to Mississippi, and we're almost at our campsite for the night. We are going to be staying at the, I think you say Art Kabula. I'm not sure how to pronounce that lake. And we will be staying at the Hernando Point Campground, which is an Army Corps of Engineers campground. And we'll let you know what we think when we get there. We'll get some pictures for you. So this is our campsite here at the Hernando Point Campground. It's a nice place, but unfortunately, the lake is dried up because they had to let the water out to repair the dam that holds it in. But other than that, once the lake's back, I'm sure it'll be a really nice campground, because right now there's just beyond those trees, there's just a little, I don't know if you want to call it like the size of a small river or just the size of a creek. Probably a creek. There's all that's left of the water. It's a pretty little campground. But we're not liking the weather. It is humid, and we are not happy about it. We need to go back out west to get, at least then it's not, it's just humid here. It's just humid. That's all I can say. Yeah, what? Say it in here.
I said it's a beautiful campground. The water's probably been up to the sites close like it was at the Cave Run Lake. That's what I imagine.
Yeah, I think so too.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, when the water's back, it'll be a really nice place.
Yep.
It's a nice place now. It just needs water in the lake.
Yep.